Thanksgiving dinner. Some of the food items are keto, some are non-keto. So I'm going to show you the whole process. And today you'll see part of the dinner, you'll see the whole entire dinner, and then you will see the family members that are here to partake in the dinner party. I love having dinner parties, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm outside here checking on the food. I have some ribs here, and I probably want to crank that down a little bit because they appear to be cooking pretty good. Yeah, let me just put some of those hot dogs, those sausages on top of it. It'll kind of weight down the paper. So they're going to be coming off pretty soon. I'm going to put these chicken sausages back over there because I don't want them to cook too fast. Like I said, this is our Thanksgiving feast. So you're going to learn all my secrets based on how I cook my dressing and all of that. If you watch all of the videos, should be fun. That one looks like it's ready. Another one on top of this. Move the chicken around some. Got a bunch of it. It's such a beautiful day here, and this Thanksgiving is for Janet, Bill's sister. She's here from Chicago, and she's supposed to have been coming last year, but some things came up and she didn't make it, so we decided that we're going to give her a Thanksgiving dinner in August. So that's what we're doing. But I just want to let you know, if you're planning on cooking Thanksgiving dinner, watch these videos. You'll learn everything about cooking Thanksgiving dressing. I got meatloaf. I always, for some reason, have meatloaf on Thanksgiving. You might not, but it's a nice side dish to enjoy. I'm just moving this chicken around a little bit. And my hat is about to blow off my head. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Let me move this paper back some. And I'm going to close it up. This is how I look when I'm out here cooking. I probably smell like a barbecue pit. But hey, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. So keep watching. Hello, everyone. This is our barbecue pork ribs. Now I use some of the keto barbecue sauce on these ribs here, and my sister is bringing another non-keto one for this slab of ribs here. And then we have some hot sausages on this side with the toothpick spicy. We got chicken legs and chicken wings out here, and they just hang it out, keeping everything warm until the party started at 4:30. Right now it's about 3 something, but everything looks good. And I just added some keto barbecue sauce to these chicken sausages that I have on the grill. So everything looks good. So I hope you watch this video to learn how to do different things for Thanksgiving. I'm so thankful that Janet is here, Bill's sister, and we are throwing this party for her. I love her so much. Every time we go to Chicago, she does a fantastic job of entertaining us. So we plan to go there next year for graduation, and I'm sure she's gonna have a great time. This is the bacon meatloaf here. Everything is ready to go. This is the dressing, chicken and dressing right here. And we have the chicken sausages. We have beef sausages. They're spicy and some mild. And then we have the regular non-keto ribs here. And then we have the keto ribs here. Chocolate cake like my mother used to make, and meatloaf. We have the cauliflower cheese bake. Then we have turkey meatloaf, and then we have bacon meatloaf. So everything is ready to go. So let's eat. Cornbread dressing. We have the chicken and beef, and then we have the keto ribs, and we have the non-keto ribs, and we have the regular flour bake. We have a chocolate cake. We have a pumpkin pie. We have 2 pumpkin pies. You tell everybody that's pumpkin pie.
You want me to identify this pumpkin pie?
Whatever you want to say about the food, that's fine. You on the roll there.
I'm on the road with Betty's genuine, authentic pumpkin pie.
No, it's not keto.
And if you ain't had none, it ain't my fault. I guarantee you, it's good.
Thank you.
Matter of fact, Rachel Ray, you better look out.
Thank you. All right, Bill, what you gotta say?
Well,
Okay, let me turn it on, Tom.
This plate was full, so I want to tell you that everything that crossed it was good. And I love the cauliflower and the ribs and everything. So
Thank you.
all I want you to do is to refill this plate.
Okay, Mr. Charles.
Yes, Betty, I just want to thank you for inviting me and my wife over for dinner. Everything was scrumptious. I mean, the dressing, the salad, the chicken, everything was splendid, you know. I must commend you.
This is Smitty of the dinner today.
I must say, I'm being a cook myself. Everything came off the plate was great. But the collard greens, the coleslaw, the ribs, whether it was keto or no keto, 'cause I had both of them. They were great.
We gonna play some music, okay?
But yeah,
it just can't be on this camera because
No.
you know the copyright laws.
But it was
so
great
you
though,
do
and I
that.
do appreciate you coming and inviting me over.
Okay, I'm glad you
Because
guys
I've been seeing you on Facebook and everything, and I was like, now, as soon as I hit the door, I smell it. I'm like, I smell it, and now I can eat it, and I can do everything else. So
Feel
it was
like we're
great.
in church.
It was great.
Yeah, thank you. So
Hallelujah!
Everything was delicious. I enjoyed everything that was on my plate. And you do have to check out Betty's recipes because she has some great recipes. Because I have tried a number of her recipes and they have been delicious. So do try them.
Go ahead, Jamie. I love that about you. Okay, this is my sister Jessie. Tell me what you like about today's dinner.
Well, everything was very delicious. I tried dressing. That's my favorite. I tried the greens. Everything was delicious. And
Very good.
that covered everything, even the pumpkin pie.
And this is because you got the right person in charge of your life. And that's
God.
what's important.
Right.
So what Shirley, what did you like about the meal tonight, the special
I
meal?
love my auntie cooking today, and she did a great job. And I like the chicken, the greens, and everything was on my plate.
Beautiful. All right, Edna.
Hi. Thank you for inviting me over. We enjoyed just being here, being with family and friends, and that's wonderful. My meal was outstanding. I enjoyed the collard greens. They were spicy, and I enjoy spicy food. I also enjoyed the chicken, which was just grilled to perfection. And I ate some of the cauliflower mac and cheese, which was very good too. So I loved everything on my plate, and I didn't leave anything for chance. So I ate cauliflower mac and cheese, which was very good too. So I loved everything on my plate, and I didn't leave anything for chance. So I enjoyed
Well,
it.
thank you so much. I know my Janet, my other sister.
Well, hello. I would like to say hi to everyone. If you have not tuned in to Betty's channel, you need to tune in. When I tell you she make everything from scratch, she got up early this morning and she put everything together. The greens, the pies, the cakes, the chicken, the ribs, and oh my God. I was gonna be on a diet, a light diet, but the only diet I came up with was sunlight, daylight, and nightlight. The food was delicious. You have to try them. Tune in to Betty. The food is just delicious. Everything.
Now you heard that from my sister Janet. Now you all know me. I'm Betty. I'm Betty's Cooking Channel. So this is all about family tonight, and I'm sharing my recipes, the recipes that my mother cooked for me, because it's all about cooking Southern food. I'm a Southern girl, you know, and that's what it's all about, because I love cooking. I love what I do. And if you follow me on Facebook, YouTube, it's all about cooking what you love. And that comes from the heart. When I'm cooking, everything I'm saying is from my heart. You know, I can't say it any differently than what I'm saying right now, because it's all from my heart, my soul. Cooking is me.